Good morning, dear children. Dear children, if you remember, we have learnt about jumble words and make words with CL, SL, DR and CH. Now children, we will solve the worksheet which is based on jumble words and to form the words which will start with CL. CL means clock, or you can also say so many different words are there which starts with CL, clock, then cloud, SL, slope, sleeper, DR, dress, drum, okay, drain, CH stands for chair. So like these words are there children. Now we'll go ahead with the exercise. Question number A. Arrange the jumbled letters in correct order to make meaningful words. Now in first question the order is not proper children. We have to make a proper order so that whatever the proper order we will make children, it should be meaningful, यानी उसमें कुछ meaning रहना चाहिए. So it is given here TAC. So for TAC we will write CAT. CAT stands for cat. Now next it is RUF. RUF does not means rough. Rough spelling is children ROUGH. So here it will become fur. FUR, fur. Now the next one is children YALP. So if you will form the meaningful word, it will be play. PLAY. Now the next one is MANE. MANE it will come name. So NAME. Now the fifth one is shunt. It is given. Shunt is not any word. So the correct formation of word will be hunts. HUNTS. Now the next exercise children. Question number B. Circle the correct word. Now in this question children, after looking towards the picture, you have to circle the correct spelling of the picture. Here two spellings are given. What is this children? It is a house. So what we have to do? We have to circle the correct spelling of house. Which is the correct spelling of house? This one. So we will circle it HOUSE. It is house. Next, here it is given a mouse. Mouse roams here and there in your home. And secondly, it will also come in Ganesh festival with Ganpati Bappa, hai na? So mouse is MOUSE. Mouse. Now we'll turn the page children. Now in question number 3, fill the missing letters with the help of the given pictures. After looking towards the picture children, some words are given of the picture and first two words you have to complete it. Remaining two at the end, they are given to you. In the first picture, someone is clapping. So the spelling of clap is children CLAP, clap. Now the next one is children, it is sliding. So slide spelling is SLIDE, slide. Next, I think so you are able to see, it is a beautiful dress. So for dress we will write DRESS is already written. Next one is chair. You are able to see the chair. Everybody is sitting on the chair to attend the online classes. So here we will write chair, CHAIR. Now children, in question number 4, some pictures are given to you and you have to match with the initial word. यानी वो पिक्चर का पहले के दो लेटर्स क्या आएंगे उससे आपको मैच करना है. सबसे पहले हम ये आपको जो समझ में आ रहा है पहले वो करो. These are the clouds which they form in the sky when the rain comes. Okay, so cloud is at the top. So here we will match cloud. Okay, now the next one is tap, but for tap it is TA. If it is not there, then think. That tap contains water and the water drainage. Water drains. So DR, it will come here. DR, drain. Next, if you are able to see, this is the slipper which we wear in our home. So slipper stands with SL. So you will write here sleeper. Next one is, if you are able to see, it is the chair, sleeping chair for children. So you will match it with. So children, we have matched the pictures with the first initial letter of the picture. According to that picture, we have matched the first two initial letters. Now children, this is all about today's worksheet, which is based on jumbled words, and different words we will start with CL, SL, DR and CH. Now children, solve the worksheet at your home, and if you find any difficulty, you can ping me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.